In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your HP DeskJet 4220e printer with just black ink cartridge. In case your color ink cartridge is empty, then you can just use it on the black ink cartridge, and that will just save extra money and ink, and you don't have to buy the color ink cartridge. For example, we are just going to do that now. First step is to open the ink chamber. So we are going to remove the color ink cartridge or the tricolor ink cartridge. Once the ink cartridge is moved, you just have to remove the color ink cartridge, press it down so it comes out. Now close this chamber. If we look at the display panel, we can clearly see the one ink cartridge is showing up, whereas the another ink cartridge is not there. That is the tricolor ink cartridge. That means we can use this printer on a single cartridge mode, and you can just follow it for black or color. Like if your black color is not working, if that is empty, you can just use the tricolor ink cartridge. And let's do the print. For example, I just want to copy this, and this is going to be in a black and white copy. So I press the button. So it is working. This way we can save ink, and we can use our tricolor ink cartridge in case we need to print photos. You can just reinstall it. Thanks for watching.